Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and a special welcome to all the new subscribers that came from Dre's channel from the last collaboration that I just did. Welcome to my channel. I'm Kerie. I like to do makeup and I also like K-pop, so I like to mash the two together, and I also like to obviously do makeup inspired by music videos. So today we are actually doing a look based off of the BLACKPINK DDU-DU music video, and this is actually from Lisa's scene where she has a chalkboard behind her and her nice pink outfit. And yeah, so I'm going to be referencing that photo today, and I'm going to be doing makeup based off that look. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, so first we're going to mix our Tarte Shape Tape with our NYX white eyeshadow base. Then we're going to take a fluffy brush like this, and then take the BH Cosmetics 88 palette, and then take this blue right here. And then you're just going to go lightly above here. Alright, then I'm going to take my shader brush like this, and then go into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to use this lighter blue here, mixed with the darker blue. Make sure to tap off the excess, that way not a lot falls. In that kind of shape. And then you're just going to blend that out. Make sure that you leave room in the middle because that's where we're going to put our pink. Then I'm going to take a shader brush like this, and I'm going to go back into that light blue that we used and make sure that it doesn't lose its vibrance. So going back in right here, just to reinforce that color. And then blend that out. Then I'm going to take an even darker blue. I'm going back into the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to take this darkest blue right here. Let's see. Right there. I'm just focusing this right in the outer corner and then right on the inner corner. And then blend that out. I'm going to get another brush, and I'm going to go back into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to take these two darker pinks right here and mix those two together. And then I'm just going to do it for the outside right here. You just want to focus this color on the outer edges of that halo. Okay, so it should look like that. Then I'm going to get my brush again that we used to cut the crease in the first place. I'm going to get a little bit of that base that we created. And then I'm just going to reinforce that line. Very lightly. And then I'm going to get a little bit more of that white base from NYX and then go right down the middle. Just pat it in. Okay, and now that that's there, I'm going to use this white base here from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm just going to use my pinky for this. I'm going to use that and then pat in that white right in the middle. And then blend that in. Alright, so it should look like that. Then I'm going to go in back with the dark blues and then kind of just fix up that shape a little bit and blend it in a little bit more. Just like that. Then I'm going to get a brush like this, like an angled brush, and then just go in with a little bit of a black shadow, tap off all the excess, and then go in right here just to reinforce that line. Then I'm going to get a little bit more of that shadow again and go in with the outer corners. Okay, and then I'm going to go back into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and use those darker blues, and I'm going to run that under my lower lash line. Alright, just like that. And I'm going to get a black pencil liner and then tight line my waterline and my upper lash line. Alright, so after that, then I'm going to get my NYX VividBrights liner in Vivid Petal. And I'm going to actually use this and paint it on my lower lash line, just to make the lower lash line pop. Alright, and then let that dry. And then do one more layer of that. Alright, then I'm going to curl my lashes. And then today I'm going to be using the Tarte Man Eater mascara. And then put that on my upper lashes. Alright, and then after that I'm going to sweep off all the excess powder that I put. And then we're going to do lashes. I'm using the, obviously my favorite, Eyelure Opulent. Just like that. Alright, then I'm going to set my face. I'm using the Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray. Alright, then I'm going to get a white highlight. I'm using the Forever Lip from the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero palette, but really, again, any white highlight will work. I'm going to use that for the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm also going to put that on my brow bone. And then I'm actually going to put a little bit on the inner part right here. Just set that there. Just like that. Alright, then I'm going to highlight my face. I'm going to use my Fenty highlight, of course. This is in Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. Alright. And then I'm going to get a little bit more blush. I used the Sigma Cor-De Rosa Aura Powder. I already did this earlier, but I just want a little bit more. And then I bronzed using the Benefit Hoola bronzer right here. So I bronzed that all over my face. Alright, then for lips, I'm going to use the Anastasia Madison Liquid Lipstick. Then I'm just going to use some light pink shadow and put that in the middle of my lips. Alright, and with that, you guys are done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the tutorial. Please, if you recreate this look, tag me on Instagram or tag me on Twitter. I love to see when you guys recreate my looks, and I really, really appreciate it. Yeah, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a thumbs up if you liked my stuff. It lets me know that I'm doing a good job. And yeah, let me know down below what look I should do next, and I will see you next time. Bye.